Today, I want to show you some awesome car art. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I picked up this, not just this, but some other stuff too. I can't even show it to you all in this video here because I'm going to do some select reveals here. But I found this company and it's called Garage 63, and I found them on Etsy and I ordered some stuff and I've been so impressed with the stuff that I got that I ordered some more. That's not even here yet. But first of all, they make mostly garage art. Garage 63. I'm not sure exactly what it stands for, but a lot of this is car themed. And I want to show you what I bought here and then describe some of the other stuff that's available because one, it definitely exceeded my expectations. Two, it was pretty affordable. So if you are dressing up your office or your garage, you're just a car enthusiast, some of the stuff you might like. Now this says Agip motor oil. It is yellow. I don't know, looks Italian, maybe Spanish. And what I love about it is just the color scheme and that it says motor oil down there. So it's basically aluminum sheet metal. They have some holes punched in there already, so you can just screw this to your wall. But this is a flat piece. But what I love about this is the finish is fantastic. I'm not sure how it's done, printed, painted, but man, it just looks super sharp. It is super glossy and reflective. You can see the lights in there. And another flat piece that they had here, which I was really excited about, was this piece. You might know this is the Golf livery color scheme, the orange and blue. It's very iconic. You still see this on a lot of cars here. It's got the number 9 and 1968 24-hour de Le Mans winner. And I just like this because, again, it's a flat piece, so it can go right up on the wall, but as you can see, it's twice as big. I think they say this is about 18 inches tall, so it's not huge, but it's nice sized. And again, just super glossy and beautiful. And this has little grommets here in the corner too to protect those little holes, so you can screw that to the wall. Now, I'm showing you these because printing on flat surfaces, while it looks awesome, I mean, I love that it looks like glass. You could probably even put some spacers here so it floats out of the wall a little bit. It is aluminum though, so if you catch your skin on this edge, you're not gonna like the feeling of that. But what they do is stuff like this too, where they roll the metal. Now this is kind of interesting because this is an Audi Union tribute, and it's just basically a tube. You can kind of see how they have done that here. They've taken basically a flat piece of metal, again about 18 inches tall. I would guess this is about 12 inches wide, and then when they stamp it, roll it like this, it becomes a little bit skinnier. They've also curved the edges down here, squared up here, but we also have holes right up at the top so I can screw that to the wall. But then the printing here kind of looks like those original Audi, I shouldn't say that, Auto Union racers. Auto Union, which later became Audi. And so it just has a little bit of a look like a race car. It doesn't replicate the whole car or anything, but just a piece of it. Now, why this is cool is that they actually make some that are tapered and are basically reproductions of the nose cones of various F1 cars back from the 60s. So you can get Ayrton Senna's nose cone, you can get some of the modern ones, I think like the Schumacher and things like that. And so it's really cool. So I actually was really excited about those, and I ordered some of those as well. So I'm really curious to see what those are like. Now, those will be a little tapered, thicker up here, tapered down, as well as tapered like this. So higher back there. You can also get some that are rolled completely and look like door panels, like door skins. You can get some that have a full half circle roll and look like the fuselage of TWA, Pan Am, some of those. So lots of really cool stuff. Mostly car focused, but certainly some aviation focused as well. I also ordered a mobile gas sign. You might remember those from back in the day. I love the wing horse, the Pegasus on those, so I wanted to have one of those. But these are going to go up in my garage. I just think they are really cool looking. And like I said, even for a larger piece, which is still, I think most of them are limited to about 18 inches and then whatever they compress to as they are rolled or shaped. So they aren't huge. This isn't going to be something that's going to cover an entire wall, but they are nice size. So a piece like this is probably about 60 bucks, something like this is about 30 bucks, something like this is about 20 bucks. So something at a price point for everyone. So now that I've given you a little bit of an overview of what these look like in the hand, what we need to do is put them on the wall and see if they look awesome in my garage. Let's try it. So the first panel I want to put right here because I have this very narrow piece of drywall between my two garage doors. I don't want it too high where I can't see it. So right about there, I just have a couple of short drywall screws, so I'm going to screw it up at the top. It's just going to basically hang on those two screws, and because it's so light, I don't have to worry about it falling down. Oh yeah, that is tasty. That looks so fetch. All right, let's put up the Golf livery one. All right, this one I thought I'd put right up here, so when I'm pulling in, I can see it. Oh yeah, that is so fetch, Gretchen. I love the look of a vintage tin, kind of having that metal plate up there, but they're beautiful. They look brand new. They're super glossy, super colorful. It's a simple, easy way to add some color, some flash to your garage and actually show your love and appreciation for the automobile sports. So if you want to pick up something from Garage 63, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
Today I want to show you some awesome car